fourth presentation in this session one is from Eutelsat in Paris, and it's the Connect project, and Philippe Lau.
Good morning, or should I say good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Profane and BTK, for inviting us and having us today. So let me check the button first. No. So I will not spend too much time on introducing Eutelsat, because I guess you guys already know us, have heard about us, or probably use some of our satellites. So we serve, of course, multiple vertical segments, markets, and connectivity services. What is probably interesting is that Eutelsat has been, for the past 10 years, a true believer in broadband, i.e. internet by satellite, and we've been the first in Europe and the Middle East to invest in KSAT, so K-band HTS. So HTS, of course, is an acronym, Barry. It stands for high throughput satellite. But again, to make it simplistic, I would say this is internet broadband by satellite. That's simple. And as you can see from the screen, we've been developing and progressing those broadband investment and services. So today I will focus on Connect. Connect being the brand, unified brand name under which we provide internet access, internet connectivity, and satellite broadband solutions. So we've been starting with KSAT, which is, of course, today in operation, especially on the Turkish market and in the region. We are now starting to work with Connect in Africa, in Europe. And by the way, I just got an email this morning stating that Connect satellite was ready for shipping from the Thales platform in the south of France to be sent to the launch pad. So this is pretty good news. And we have this Connect VHTS, one more acronym. So this is very high throughput satellite. Let's say this is high-speed internet or high throughput broadband through the sky. And as you can see, we started from today KSAT or today Connect with like a satellite that is weight between 75 to 90 gigabytes. And we will be moving in 2 years from now with the new generation satellite serving up to 500 gig. So just to give you a hint of the coverage, so on the left you have the current KSAT. So the map is not super clear, but yes, the Turkish market and the region is fully included into that, and we have already a service in operation on your market. As you can see, Africa with Connect, the one I just mentioned, and then the future with Connect VHTS, which has a very interesting coverage, I would say, of course, for terrestrial, but also for all the mobility services and application, including a full coverage of the Mediterranean seas and basins. So what is interesting about this next generation VHTS, or very high throughput satellite, I think this is the second bullet point that is most of interest, which is a full system flexibility, which means that some of the capacity that is used on beam, on spot beam number one, can be dynamically reallocated to a second beam. So we hope and believe this could be of interest for serving multiple users and multiple markets, of course mobility, but probably some specific use case as government services, of course hospitality industries, given the importance of tourism in Turkey, for instance. This could be very interesting for serving the coastal users during the high season of summer. And this is the plan with the Turkish coverage of the VHTS. So to make a long story short, as you can see, there will be like 25 spot beams covering your country. There will be a total of circa 35 gigabits of total capacity available on the Turkish market. And of course, to make sure this next generation of broadband satellite is fully flexible, manageable, and being able to control, we will have gateways in Turkey, and we are currently working with some of you guys in the room and also with BTK to meet this obligation and make sure we will set up and set a gateway on the Turkish land. What is also interesting about this evolution of high throughput satellite, as you can see, is the speed is going high, while the price of the CPE, the customer premises equipment, shall I call that the satellite kit, to make it simplistic, which is a box and a dish, of course. So when the speed goes high, we can see that the end user kit is going down. Okay, as we speak today, typically in the current generation of satellite, we are close to below 300 euros per kit. Again, and the target for us in 2 years from now is to be under 200 euro. Okay? The dream situation for all of us in our industry would be to get the kit available under the $100 euro or the dollar or euro, sorry. But this is, of course, a big challenge for our industry because it's a question of mass volumes and it's a question of operating costs and etc. But again, this is the target and this is where we are moving to. So again, the good news is that for the VHTS, the very high throughput satellite 2022, 2021, this is the target. Just to remember, this is what is already available in Istanbul or in Ankara. So if you guys need some connectivity by satellite, you can subscribe to those packages which are already available on the market. Okay? What is also interesting in that approach is that we do believe that there is room for residential market and individual market. So that is to say for your homes, for your apartments, or from your second home on the mountains or by the seaside, you get this kind of a price, package, and connectivity. And just to be very clear, in that monthly subscription, the terminal is fully included. So some real customers. So the one on the left is in Scotland. You would have recognized the fog. The second one is Bavaria. This one is a funny one. I like that because, in fact, we are using satellite to provide connectivity and broadband to a DSLAM from a terrestrial operator. This is in a small rural village in Bavaria. So, in fact, we are bonding 4 kits to get in order 100 and 120 meg available, and then it's distributed through the DSLAM to the local population. Of course, this is valid for very small villages, but it's an interesting solution. You would have recognized or almost recognized the Marmara Sea and the Marmara coastline, where we are providing connectivity to medium-sized hotels to provide Wi-Fi to their customers. And then, as you can probably, you also have recognized our friend there, Mr. Craig, which is James Bond is using our satellite also to uplink the rushes from the shooting scenes to the London studios, because with that uplink, they get an independent channel to secure the shootings. So this is, again, typical use case, and we do believe that with the next generation satellite, we can multiply by a good number those kind of use case, both to the residential market, but also to the SMB, small and medium businesses. And to finish, again, I would like to stress out that at Eutelsat, and especially in the perspective of this next generation satellite, we want to work with you guys. We want to play by the local rules. So we want to develop a strong relationship with all the actors on the Turkish market, and of course the BTK and local regulation authorities to make sure that the service we develop are fully in line with your requirement. Merci. Teşekkür ederim.